Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix post you have liked not showing option. So if you want to fix that error in your Instagram, so I am going to show you how to fix that. So first of all, when I am going to which I have liked on Instagram reels or anything. So let's see, is it showing in my account or not. So click on your profile, go here and click on setting, and now after setting you will see click on accounts, and in old version you will see that the post you have liked option is showing here. So now what you have to do is go into your uh, Play Store, click on Play Store to open it, and here you have to search Instagram. Click on Instagram. Now write Instagram and update. So update the Instagram app. Now after updating you have to go again. Now update, now Instagram app has been updated. So now click on open. So when you click on open, now again click on your profile and click on three dots, three lines, and now you have to click on your activity option. So when you click on your activity, here you have to go into the interaction, and here interaction, so click on likes. So the post you have liked in your Instagram will show here. So like this you can see or fix the problem post you have liked option. So if this method is not working, what you have to do is go into the your Instagram app, go into Play Store and type here Instagram Lite. Instagram Lite.